Hello everybody, this is Kateri. I am going to show you some goodies that I got in the mail from a wonderful dear friend, Stefanie Pettis from the Rolling Studio. And I think I had done a video and said something about maybe doing something nice for someone and sending them something. And so I got something in the mail from Stefanie. So all of it came packed in this bag. That's really cool. And she said she got it from Daiso, but it's kind of a plastic and it's all done in silver and black. So it's pretty cool. So I definitely could use that again. So she's really packed this full. So she's going to be doing a video on these. And I think, anyway, she's just, this is a beautiful butterfly right here. But she's got a coating over the top of these. And I'm going to let her kind of tell you, you know, what she has done. I will link her channel down below, and that way you can go over there and see it. She doesn't have the video out yet, so I don't want to spoil it for her. But these are all really cool. So she took these papers that she got from Daiso, what are they, 6x6 or something like that, and she has coated them all, so they're really strong now. And this one is, I think this was probably cardstock or something, but this is cool also. And all of these are all coated. I've had this paper here before. It's pretty cool. And but anyway, she just coated several different ones, and I think this one's really cool. It's just really neat. So and look at the hot air balloon. So she did those, and then she took a napkin and she coated it. She tore the top layer off, and it's transparent now. It's pretty cool. So all kinds of cool things you could actually do, like a shaker with this now. And yeah, you could do a shaker if you wanted and put stuff behind it. You'd have to trim it up a little bit, but yeah, that's really awesome. And then she sent me this hanger that I definitely need to use. So you can hang like little pictures off of it. And these little clips, oh my gosh, these things are stronger. It's everything I can do to get them open. And then I've got some gold chain. And let's see what this is, because I didn't open it. So it is just chain. And I'm telling you, I know what the heck I'm going to do. I can make my glue pin charms with this. Oh yeah, there's a lot. I don't have hardly any gold chain at all. So this is great. And this one's just a little bit different. So yep, I like those a lot. And then we have this cool little bag. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe she sent me all of this. It's so cool. That little bag, isn't that cute? I like this little bag. I think it needs to be yeah, right here it was coming undone. I'm going to glue it. I could use that again. But I like that. I can use it for something. Or cut that off and use the bag. But anyway, she said she got these little, I don't know, I guess they're coffee filters or tea filter. I don't know. But aren't they cute? I guess they came from Daiso too. You can make a little pocket or something out of that. So there is that. Then she sent me a couple of her gems that she had been working on. I'll take these out because I'm probably going to do something. Look at those. Oops. Isn't that cool? I really like, I mean, there's gold flecks in them. And just different, just all kinds of different colors. And I think, I don't know if those are dried flower petals in here. They kind of look like it. At least this one does. Let's see if I can get that ring light off of there. But this one little piece right here looks like a flower petal. But they're pretty cool. So then she sent this metal, which is darling. Even has the brad that goes through there. And then I am doing this box, and I forgot I had used one of my mirrors. And I saw this, and I thought, oh my gosh, there's a mirror I can use. Now I'm not so sure I'm going to do what I thought I was going to do. So I might do something a little bit different. I haven't decided. I'm so undecided. So let's see. I haven't opened this. Let's see. Whatever. It's big and doesn't want to come out. Okay. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. Oh, look at this black one. Wow. That's cool. Wow, you could put something on that and hang that off the front of a journal. I have a journal on the brain. Oh, I've not seen this one before. It's grays and black stones. Oops, I think this fell off of this, maybe. And if it didn't, I'm putting it back. I'm going to put it on here. Maybe. It'd go on there. Yeah, it didn't come off there. Look at this one. Whoops. That's cool. That's beautiful. Really pretty. I need to move this camera. Okay. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Here's some gold. This one I think is the one I pulled out. I'm going to pull the other two out. There's so many goodies in here. Oh my goodness. That is these three are very pale pink, which I love. Oh my gosh, I love that. And she told me, I guess Walmart had a sale, and she said she stopped at every Walmart that she could and bought up all of this stuff. I never thought to look there. So much you could do with so much of this. And I was so low on, I guess the guys are here gonna bang on the roof. Oh boy, I better hurry and get this done, because it's gonna get loud. We're finally fixing our roof where we had that wind damage. Yeah, look at all of these. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Wow. Lots of blingy. So cool. Oh, and this I think is awesome too. Isn't that neat? And there's this, and that almost looks like a goat. No, it doesn't. It's black, white, and kind of a, yeah, it's different. Get over here. There you go. It's weird when you're looking at it. I'm looking at the camera on the computer, and you have to move the opposite direction. I wanted to get this video put out because I got this stuff yesterday. Ooh, see, you're going to start hearing stuff. So there's all of these beautiful, look at all of these gems she's given me. Oh, she's such a sweetie. And this I wanted to tear apart because I didn't know if there was something in it, but I figured out it's supposed to be, I guess, like a pumpkin. So it will sit up here on my little shelf. So that's really cute. And then I got, and this is from Daiso. This is that paper tape, that lacy paper tape, which that's cool. And I'll show you these. So these will be going in Happy Mail. And what they are is, it says Promises from God for Women. And one of them says, the sun shines brighter and the flowers smell better just because I thought of you. And they all have, well, it looks like there's some repeats in here. That's cool. In my heart, I'm holding you tight. So somebody that you're sending Happy Mail to, or, you know, is ill or whatever, you could send that one. May you have a day filled with love and laughter. I love this. This, I'd like to have like 2 or 3 of these boxes. They're awesome. Okay, so, and I know those guys are out there saying, who's she talking to? So this is a bag. Oh, this is a bag that she had done up, and what was in here, you'll see it in just a minute. But look how she blinged that out. Isn't that cool? So there's one of those pieces that of the bling down there. Yeah, that was cute. And then this is some kind of a, it's like a lace, but it is rubber, which is weird. So whatever you put it on, it's going to hold up for quite a while. And this is the back of the card that was in that one package. And this is what was on that card. Now check this out. This is her gems that she was working on, and she's put lace in between two of these, and then she added all of these darling, I love that little tag, and that tiny key. And what's this one? This is a tiny button. Oh, it came off. I'll have to put it back on. Yeah, I've got to put that back on. Yeah, it just, the jump ring. So I'll lay that right there. And look at this. There's a little keyhole right there. And look at the cup. Isn't that darling? I love that little cup. It's so cute. And it's really cute. Look at it. I like it. And then when you turn this over, it's got like the pink on it. And she's put flat back pearls on it. And oh, it's so cute. I really like it. She did a cute job. That is one big paper clip, let me tell you. Yeah. So that will stay up here. And then also on this card was this cute dress form. And, you know, this would make a darling Christmas ornament. But Isn't that darling? That was so cute. What a cute idea for that. And then she kind of tied little knots on it. I like that. Cute idea, Steph. I think it's darling. So that will go up there. And then we have some more of this paper that she did. And I know this is so weird the way this works, you guys, because this stuff that she puts on here, it makes a paper transparent, but you can see the other words on the other side. So the words all run together, but it is so cool. I'm going to get my nails done today. This one fell off. I mean, the polish came off. But anyway, and then she's put glitter on it. It's so cool. So that's nifty. And then we have these cards, or this card with this cute. I like these things. These are great for. They're magnets. They're great for your books. It says, I can do all things through Christ who gives me strength. So that's something to color that I can use in our weekly journal, Bible journaling, which we've missed for 2 weeks. But we're going to do it tonight. So I can use this in there, and I can use all of these that she sent me in here. So I can color these. Grace and peace. Oh, that's one. And the Lord will guide you always. Ask the birds, they know. Uh-oh, I gotta hurry. It's not gonna be pretty. And you probably can hear that. So anyway, I'm just gonna hurry. And then here's some more cards, but they're a little bit different cards right here. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. So, and then this is a really cool card that she made. This was around. Isn't that cool? It's really pretty, isn't it? So yeah, and it says, our Lord has written the promise of resurrection, not in the books alone, but in every leaf in the springtime. And that's one of these cards. She buys these cards at the truck stops, and that's what she put in there, so that's pretty cool. So, and then she wrote me she's got beautiful handwriting. My gosh. Wish my handwriting. And then she sent me a lot of these papers from Dice. Oh, look at this. I didn't see this. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow, those are cool. Anyway, these are from Daiso, and there's several different ones. And I pulled one out yesterday because I love the paper. And I actually sat there, and this was right before the storm was hitting, and I actually folded an envelope. So that'll make a cute little envelope. I do have to finish it. And then she sent me some really unique, different napkins here, different colors. This has stamps. So yeah. But anyway, I think that is it. I think I went through everything. So I want to thank Steph so much for the beautiful things that you made me and all of my blingy stuff. And it was such a blessing to get that in the mail. And you made my day. So I will let everybody go. Thanks again. God bless. Everybody stay healthy. And we'll talk. And maybe we'll see you tonight at Maddie's for our Bible journaling and for Maddie and Madison's show. See you later. Bye-bye.